Finishing up lesson 26 here, we are going to talk about the volume of spheres. So the formula for volume of a sphere, oh, and I didn't change my word here, is 4/3 times pi r to the third power. So 4/3 times 3.14 times the radius to the third power this time. So volume of these spheres so we're going to do, I'm going to write the formula, 4/3 times pi r to the third, and we're going to fill in what we know. So we know 4/3, we know pi is 3.14, and our picture, the radius is 6, so times 6 to the third power. So I can just type that in my calculator just the way it works. So 4ABC3 times 3.14 times 6 to the third power. So I'm going to hit that caret button that's right above the x squared button, and then 3. So I get an answer of 904.32, and these are feet. And remember, volume is cubed. This one shows us the diameter of this sphere, so all the way across. So we only need half of that. So half of 25 would be 12.5. So we're going to do 4/3 times 3.14 times our radius of 12.5 to the third power. And that gives me an answer of 8,177.08. And these are inches to the third power, cubic inches. Okay. So let's figure out, if we double the radius, what happens to the volume of our sphere. So our first one has a radius of 3. So 4/3 times 3.14 times 3 to the third power is 113.04. And then we're going to double that radius. So 4/3 times 3.14 times 6 to the third is 904.32. And then to figure out how many times bigger this is, we're going to take that 904.32 and divide it by 113.04. And I get 8. So the volume of a sphere, when we double the radius, the volume is 8 times larger.